When we started to think about the baking bud business, we knew we wanted to use local, high-quality ingredients as much as possible. I sourced a tea company local to the Cotswolds called Born Wild Tea. They use high-quality, ethically sourced tea to make some amazing blends. We met up with Born Wild Tea to do some taste tests, and we were definitely not disappointed. All of the teas tasted so fresh and visually also looked amazing. One of the blends is called Raspberry Lemonade, which is a caffeine-free fruit tea with raspberries, hibiscus, lemongrass and coconut flakes. My personal favourite was the masala chai, which I think would be so nice made into a chai latte. Another of the teas I loved was the Rubus Tea. This is a caffeine-free tea with notes of caramel, and we also thought we could taste vanilla. I often drink Rubus Tea in the evening, but again, Born Wild Tea was definitely far more superior to my usual go-to. The Peppermint Tea tasted so fresh, even Trevor liked it, which surprised me, as this is something that he wouldn't normally drink. There was absolutely no chemical taste to the tea, and I think it would be so nice after a meal, or of course a bit of cake. We are so pleased to have found a local company that has fulfilled all of our hopes to deliver a high-quality tea to our customers. We believe you will taste the difference. We really hope that we can one day soon make you a cuppa. Come and see the Baking Bird at one of our forthcoming events. Our first one is Christmas Day at the Cheltenham Lido.